In this tutorial, you'll learn how to create automated workflows in Smartsheet to reduce manual work and keep your projects running smoothly. Open your sheet and navigate to Automation. Then select Create Workflow. To make things easier, choose Create from template and browse the available automation templates. A popular option is Move rows to another sheet when specified criteria are met. Select the template and click Use Template to get started. Next, configure the trigger by choosing when rows are added or changed. Then, set the conditions that will determine when the workflow runs, such as a status update or a specific column value. For the action, select Move Rows and choose the destination sheet where matching rows should be sent. This is useful for automatically organizing completed tasks, requests, or project updates. Once everything is configured, click Save. To verify that the workflow works correctly, use the Workflow menu to run a test and confirm that rows move to the destination sheet as expected. With automated workflows in place, Smartsheet can handle repetitive processes for you, helping your team stay organized and focused on more important work. Thanks for watching.